and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is Pasta Friday. I'll be preparing Arrabbiata Pasta. Let's get to it. I'm going to be starting off with some red pepper and garlic and Szechuan chili flakes. I'm just going to do this for about a minute. Now we're going to add the tomatoes. Smoked paprika. And parsley. We're going to add some salt. And black pepper. Give this a swirl. Now we're going to put this on low, and we're going to let it simmer between 15 and 20 minutes. Okay, the arrabbiata sauce is ready. Now it's time to combine the sauce with the pasta. The mini penne is ready, so let's go ahead and add some sauce. I'm going to add just a splash or two of heavy cream to kind of give it a creamy feel. On to the next step. And here's the final presentation of the arrabbiata pasta with a couple nice slices of Italian bread. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen on Pasta Friday. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.